Welcome to this tutorial for Trend Microsecurity. In this video, we'll teach you how to use Trend Microsecurity's parental controls on your PC. To get started, open your Trend Microsecurity console. Click the Family tab, then Configure for Parental Controls. The Parental Controls introduction screen appears. Click OK to close the introduction. The password screen appears. If you haven't already done so, enter a password of at least 8 characters long and confirm it. Then, provide a password hint and your email address and click Create. If you forget your password later, Trend Micro can email you to help you set a new password. Otherwise, enter your password and click OK. The Parental Controls wizard appears. Note, the screen asks, do your children have their own Windows user accounts for this computer? If they don't, click the link on the question to create them, so your various settings can be assigned to the proper child. The Parental Controls account screen appears. In the lower left-hand corner, click Add Windows Account. In the Windows User Accounts Control Panel screen, click Manage Another Account. In the Manage Account screen, click Add a New User in PC Settings. The Accounts, Family and Other Users screen appears. Click Add Someone Else to this PC. A screen appears asking, how will this person sign in? To simplify this example, we'll start your child without a Microsoft account. You can change to a Microsoft account later. Click I don't have this person's sign-in information. A screen appears prompting, let's create your account. Click Add a user without a Microsoft account. A screen appears saying, create an account for this PC. Type a name for this account. Enter a password and confirm it, and click Next. The Accounts, Family and Other Users screen appears, confirming the creation of the account. Back in the Manage Account screen, you'll see the Jane account added to the list of accounts on this PC. Close the Manage Accounts window. Back in the Parental Controls account window, click the Refresh link if the new account is not showing. The Jane account now appears in the list. Uncheck the account you're logged onto, check the Jane account, and click OK. A pop-up appears telling you you have not set the rules for one or more users. Let's set it up now. Click OK. The Website Filter Rules page appears. In the Select an Age pop-up, choose the age the filter will apply to from the Select an Age pop-up. For example, choose ages 8 to 12, preteen. You can also define a custom age bracket. A subset of the general categories is selected by default. For example, all of the adult or sexual. Other subcategories in communications or media, controversial, and shopping and entertainment are checked. Scroll down to see the full category/subcategory listings. You can check or uncheck a category or subcategory to redefine the filter. You can also obtain more information on a category by clicking the More Info link. A definition list will pop up. Back at the top, check Enable Website Filter Rules and Block Untested Websites. These options will increase your child's security when searching or browsing the Internet. Click Next to define the time limits. The Time Limits page appears, with Enable Time Limits checked by default. Using your mouse pointer, select the weekday and weekend hours your child should not access the web by holding your mouse down and stroking across the hours. Then scroll down and indicate the number of hours your child may use this computer. Click Next. A screen appears letting you set the child's program controls. Click Enable Program Controls. Then click Add to add the program you want to control the usage of. Select the program you want to control from the list, or click Browse to find it. Navigate to the program in the Program Files folder, select it from its own folder, and click Open. Trend Microsecurity adds it to the list of controlled programs. Check the Program checkbox and click OK. The program is added to the Parental Controls window. Click Change Schedule in the Scheduled Access field. The schedule appears. Ensure Block Access to the program at the selected times is checked Remove the block for the hours in the week the child will be allowed access to the program, then click OK. When the wizard window reappears, click Next. A screen appears indicating that protection has been activated for Jane, applying the preteen website filter, giving the time limits and program controls. Click Add Someone to add another child, or click Done to finish adding the parental controls for this child. The main parental controls window reappears. In parental controls, the slider button should be on. If not, slide it to on, then click OK. The rule set is now applied to the Jane account. Click the Close box in the Trend Micro Security console to close it. Log off the administrator's account and sign on to the Jane account. Using your browser, attempt to go to a website at a time prohibited by the account rules. Trend Micro Security will block access to the web and provide a No Web Surfing Allowed notification, indicating the user cannot use the web at this time. During the hours allowed for surfing, if the user attempts to browse to a site not permitted by the rules, Trend Micro Security will block access to the site and provide an off-limits notification for the user in the browser. Congratulations! You can now use Trend Micro Security's parental controls. This concludes this tutorial.